Okay, so on this problem, it says find the quotient, but what we're going to do is whenever you have, if one of them's a fraction, what we're going to do is we're going to do a thing called keep and then change and then flip. So we're going to keep the first one, and we have a negative 7/12. The negative can go either with the 7 or the 12. I always like to put it on top, so I'm going to put it there. And then the change is changing the division to multiplication. And then the last part is we're going to flip this. Once again, I can put the negative with either one. I'm going to go ahead and put it with the 3. So I have to flip it up like that. Now, you can go ahead and multiply directly across if you want to. Um, but as the numbers get bigger, it's going to be better to try to simplify instead of multiplying the numbers together. So I am going to multiply, but not actually complete the multiplication. What I'm going to do here is a negative times a negative becomes positive. So this become 7 times 3. And I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm not actually going to multiply it. And then 12 times 1, well, that one's pretty simple. You can just go ahead if you want to and write that as a 12. Now, once everything is broken into multiplication and division, okay, this is important because if there was addition or subtraction involved, that would have to be done first, but there is none of that. So now I can try to simplify. And so you look and see if 7 or 3 can reduce with 12, and the 3 and the 12 can reduce. They're both divisible by 3. So the 3 will reduce down to a 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then 12 divided by 3 is 4. And so then we're left with 7 times 1 on top, which would be 7. And then on bottom, you're just left with that reduced value, which is a 4. And that is our final answer right there, 7/4.